progressive twinkle. So first I adjust my body to the progressive 1, 2, 3. Adjust 45 degrees, then I start the progressive twinkle. I walk outside. You need to put her on the right side. 1, 2, put her on the left side. The turn happen on 2. See, 1, there's no turn. And 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Each time I adjust her to the left and right. After 3 times is enough. Do a check. Check, come back to the side. Check, come back to the side. Then we do a twist turn. Twist turn in slow motion is this. 1, we do the check. 2, I move her with my friend to my right side. So this is a 1, 2, at the end of 2, or by the count 3, you need to hook. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 6, I rotate her, depending on where I want to go. I can move her to the front or move it to the side. That's our whole pattern. Okay, let me do it one more time. Maybe I go from this direction. Start straight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check. 2, 3. Check. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To connect to the next pattern, from this position, you can do twinkle. 1. But you need to, on the 2, you need to bring her to your right side. 2, 3, and back to the twinkle. Okay? During the twist turn, 2 keys. One is when check, this leg need to come in as forward as possible. So you bend the front leg. This way, when you turn, you start with the heel of the left and the ball of the right. Turn on the same spot. Halfway there, you switch the heel of right leg and the ball of the left leg and move forward. That's how you turn. You don't want to hook to here. See, guaranteed this is a hook to there. It's going to tangle your leg. So you have to hook very close inside when you back. If it happens, you have to twist a little bit, just cheat a little bit, move it open. Okay. And second is during the turn, it's led by the shoulder. When you need to open this, keep on open, then start your twist. This go first. Otherwise, this is blocking your partner. The second pattern we did, let me do it. Start with chassé. 1, 2, 3. Start with a twinkle. Second move is called left wing. Lead her to 1. Then my weight's at the front. Then I don't do anything anymore. Just lead her. 2, 3. Lead her to my left side. Then I do chassé to right. 1, 2, and 3. Then chassé to right with the outside turn. 1, 2, and 3. By the last step, I rotate her 45 degrees. She's in front of me. Then do a development. This is check. 1, 2, 3. The ending is 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Let me go from this direction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Outside. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.